Maths Chinedu Hub class. Today we'll be looking at division of fractions. We have 1, 2, 3, and the third one and the fourth one. Okay, we'll be looking at the first one, which is a 4 whole number 2 all over 5 divided by 1 whole number 1 all over 10. The first thing we do here is that we change to improper fraction, which is 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2, we have 22 all over 5 divided by 10 times 1, 10 plus 1, we now have 11 all over 10. Good. Now, the next thing we do is that we overturn this. We overturn. What do I mean by overturn? 10 will go up and 11 will come down. 10 becomes the numerator, 11 becomes the denominator. So we are going to have now 22 all over 5 times 10 all over 11. Remember I said for us to divide this sign will change to multiplication sign. Then we overturn. 10 goes up and 11 comes down. That's what I did here. Now look at this. We can see here that 5 and 10, these two numbers can be divided by 5. So 5 divided by itself is what? 1. 10 divided by 5 is giving us 2 times. Okay, let's also look at here 11 and what? 22. So 11 divided by itself is what? 1. And 22 divided by 11 is giving us what? 2. So in that case, we are having here 2 times 2 and 1 times 1. 2 times 2, which is what? 4. And 1 times 1 is giving us what? 1. And of course, anything divided by 1 will give you that same thing. So 4 divided by 1 is giving us what? 4. As you can see, I'm taking it step by step. Okay. Now let's look at the second one. Here we have 2 whole number, 2 over 9, divided by 2 over 3, divided by 1 whole number, 1 over 2. Let's also repeat the same thing we did in number 1. We have here 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is giving us 20 all over 9. Divided by 2 all over 3, divided by, let's change this one, 2 times 1. 2 plus 1, we have 3 all over 2. Good. Now remember what I said? I said this sign will change to multiplication sign, and by the time this has changed to the sign of multiplication, we overturn this fraction. We are going to overturn this one, we are also going to overturn this one. Good. So we are now going to have here 20 all over 9. I'll overturn this times, remember, okay, 3 goes up and 2 comes down. So 3 all over 2 times the same thing here. 2 goes up and 3 comes down. 2 all over 3. The first fraction does not overturn. Okay. So let's look here. You can check up, check the denominator, numerator, check the same thing. You check diagonal and see anyone that can be divided. Okay. So we can see here that 3 can divide itself here. Good. That's giving us 1, 1. And the same thing, 2 can be divided here also. So we are left with what? 20 and 9, which is giving us 20 all over 9. Okay, so this is improper fraction also. We can't leave our answer like this. I told you in my previous video. So this, what we do here is that what? We change this to mixed fraction. Let me remind you again, I say our answer, make sure your answer is in whole number, proper fraction, decimal number, or mixed fraction. Please never leave your answer improper fraction. Good. Now 20 divided by 9, this simply means 9 times what will give us what? 20 or close to 20. And of course, we don't have anything that 9 times will give us 20, but we have 9 times 2, which is what? 18. So we take what? 2 times. 9 times 2. And 9 times 2 is giving us what? 18. So we try to get the remainder from 20. This simply means 20 minus the 18, which is what? 2. So we're having what? 2 all over this 9. Okay. So let's look at number 3. Let's look at number 3 here, which says 3 whole number 1 all over 7 divided by 3 whole number 2 all over 3 divided by 2 whole number 1 all over 4. Good. This, the same thing we do here, we change to improper fractions. Okay, so 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 1, we have 22 all over 7, divided by 3 times 3, which is what? 9. 9 plus 2, that's giving us 11 all over 3, divided by 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 plus 1 is giving us 9 all over what? 4. Good. Now, don't forget what I said next. I said next thing we do, we are going to change these signs to multiplication sign, and when doing that, we overturn these two fractions. Overturn, remember I said the denominator goes up and the numerator comes down. Good. So in that case, we are having 22 now all over 7 times 3 all over what? 11 times 4 all over what? 9. So look here, like I said here, you check the numerator, denominator, check here what can be divided, what can divide each other, they check diagonal also to see. Okay, so you can see here 11 and 22 can go, yeah, that's 11 divided by itself is what? 1 times, and 22 divided by 11 is giving us 2 times. Look here, can you see? Yes, this 3 and 9 can also be divided by 3. So 3 divided itself is what? 1. And 9 divided by 3 is giving us what? 3. You can see here, check again. Can anything be divided again? No. So in that case, we now multiply out. Here we have 2 times 1, which is 2, and 2 times 4 is giving us what? 8. 7 times 1 is still 7, and 7 times 3 is giving us 21. So we are having 8 all over 21. Now, this is going to be our answer because it's proper fraction and no other number can divide 8 and 21. So it's okay, so we leave it like that. So our answer here becomes 8 all over 21. Now look at number 4. I will leave number 4 for you to try as an assignment. Thank you. Bye.